Hello friends, welcome back to the Global Studio YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use the Convert Entity tool in SOLIDWORKS. If you guys don't know what Convert Entities in SOLIDWORKS is, it basically helps to project edges of a CAD model to the working plane, as you can see here in this model. So without any delay, let's jump into the video and learn this trick in SOLIDWORKS. First of all, let me delete the previous sketches to start with a fresh sketch. Select the plane and choose the sketch option. Under the sketch tab, select the Convert Entities option. And now we can see some more options are available under this tab. To project individual edges, simply select the edges and then click on OK. This method allows us to project edges that are needed to complete the sketch profile. Now let me delete this sketch and move on to the next step. Select the face of the model and click on OK to project the sketch from all the edges of the model onto the working plane. You will notice that only the outer edges of the model have been projected. But how can we project the inside features such as circular and rectangular cuts? Click on Convert Entities again, select the model face and then click on the Select All Inner Loops option. This will automatically recognize all the inner loops. In this box, you can see them named as Loop 1 and Loop 2. Simply click OK. Now we have projected the edges of the circular cuts and rectangular cuts onto the plane. And this is how we can project the edges of the model. Simply exit the sketch and now we will try to modify the CAD model. I will increase the length of this CAD model to see if the projected sketch will accommodate these changes or not. As you can see, all the changes we make in the model will automatically reflect in the projected sketch. This is the greatest advantage of using Convert Entities, as it will keep all the constraints even if you change the original CAD model. But what is the advantage of using this Convert Entities tool? Well, you can use these tools when modeling hinges, pivot mounts, clevis brackets, etc. These are just a few basic examples where we can utilize this tool. I hope this tip is helpful and clear for you all. If you have any further doubts, please let me know in the comments. Also, there are many videos on my channel, so please watch them and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye bye.